Good morning, good morning. The Twang Lady is here. Just a little word of encouragement. So in New York right now, we're experiencing a blizzard, right? And the blizzard comes for a time and a season. And you might think, hey, I haven't gotten over the first blizzard. I haven't gotten over the first storm, the tragedy. And here comes the next one. Have faith. Stay strong and stand your ground. God is in the midst of the situation, and this too shall pass. Everything is for a time and a season. All right? Don't lose hope. Don't lose focus. God is in the midst of your situation, and He will see you through. Okay? Just remember, time, season, change. Everything will work out. All right? Be blessed.